Power Magic Ultra Battery and Power Magic Expansion Battery Installation Guide. The Power Magic Ultra Battery allows you to use BackVue parking mode for extended periods of time. First, let's see what's in the box. The Power Magic Ultra Battery comes with the cables and accessories required for its installation. Please note, the Power Magic Ultra Battery is compatible with 12-volt electrical systems only, which means it works with most individual cars. To use BackVue parking mode with a 24-volt electrical system, check our other parking mode accessories, such as Power Magic Pro hardwiring kit and Power Magic battery pack. Installation. First of all, turn the power switch to the off position. Find a location for the Power Magic Ultra Battery. It could be under a seat or in the glove box, for example. Let's first see how to do a simple DIY installation with the cigarette lighter power cable. Plug the cigarette lighter plug power cable into the Ultra Battery's DC in port. Plug the other end of the power cable into the vehicle's cigarette lighter socket. Set the power switch to the cigarette position. For a hardwired installation, plug the hardwiring power cable into the Ultra Battery's DC in port. Referring to your vehicle owner's manual, identify a switched accessory power fuse of more than 20 amps in your interior fuse panel. Typical examples are the cigarette lighter and car stereo fuse slots. Take care not to connect to a constant power fuse. If you connect the Ultra Battery to a constant power fuse, it may result in a depletion of your vehicle's battery. Remove the identified switched fuse and match its type with one of the 3 fuse taps. Included in the box are 3 of the most common fuse tap types. However, if your vehicle uses a different type of fuse taps, you may have to purchase it separately. Insert the ACC wire into the connector end of the fuse tap. Use a crimping tool or pliers to crimp the connector onto the wire. Insert the fuse you removed from the fuse panel into the slot closest to the blades on the fuse tap. Insert a new fuse into the slot furthest away from the fuse tap blades. Insert the fuse tap into the empty switched fuse slot in the fuse panel. Connect the ground wire ring to a ground point, such as a bolt, that is directly on a bare metal part of the vehicle's frame. Set the power switch to the hardwire position. Now let's see how to connect your dash cam to the Ultra Battery. Plug the output cable into the port labeled Dash Cam on the Ultra Battery. Plug your dash cam's power plug into the cigarette lighter socket on the Ultra Battery's output cable. To ensure good electrical contact, you can use electrical tape to tape the plug and socket together. Now your Ultra Battery will power your BackVue and charge itself when ignition is on, and power your BackVue when ignition is off. If you need more power, you can easily double your usage time with the Power Magic Expansion Battery. Simply insert the connector cable into the expansion port of the Ultra Battery and any of the expansion battery ports. To expand battery capacity even further, multiple expansion batteries can be connected in sequence. Using the free BackVue battery app for iOS and Android, you can monitor your Ultra Battery's power. First, download and install the app to your phone. To connect to your Ultra Battery with the app, activate Bluetooth on your phone and make sure your Ultra Battery is powered on, with the power switch either on cigarette or hardwired position, depending on your installation. The BackVue battery app will scan the area to find your Ultra Battery. To establish a connection, refer to the sticker on the Ultra Battery and enter the password in the app. When charging, the app displays the expected time to full charge. When ignition is off on your car, the app will display the expected remaining usage time based on the current power draw of your dash cam. When one or more expansion batteries are connected, make sure to set the total capacity accordingly.